Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday, May 3rd of 2019. We do have a couple announcements for today. So, boys and girls, if you had no office referrals and no lunch detentions going through the end of the day today, you would be eligible for extra recess, which starts next week. So, teachers, you'll be getting a printout in your mailboxes then at the end of the day for students who cannot participate in extra recess time for next week. May birthdays, we do have a number of birthdays to announce over the weekend, so I will announce those May birthdays on Monday. Our lunch choices for today, we have beef and cheese nachos, cheese pizza or pepperoni pizza, and sun butter and jelly. And today we do have a riddle for the day today. So today's riddle is, how many seconds in a year? So if you see me out and about, remember, don't disrupt their instructional time. Make sure that you're staying in class. And if I see you out in the hallways or cafeteria or recess, that is when you can give me the answer to what you think could be the answer to the riddle. All right, at this time for our pause, we have some first grade students here to share some things for pause today. All right, it is time for our pause, and we have some students here from first grade to share what they have for pause for today.
Don't hurt people's feelings. Don't be mean to other people. Be kind to everybody.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great Friday today. Remember, the choice is yours, especially if you had no referrals or lunch detention this week. So make sure that you can earn that extra recess time for next week. Have a great day.